A kitchen sink is a top priority fixture in any kitchen remodel. Popular stainless steel kitchen sinks on the market are very much in demand, as they'll likely match common kitchen appliances such as refrigerators, ranges, and dishwashers. We've researched and discovered the 9 top-rated stainless steel kitchen sinks, as well as one you may want to avoid. And now for the Freshness.com reviews of the 9 best stainless steel kitchen sinks, plus the worst one to avoid. Coming in at number 1, Kraus 30-inch Standart Pro Single Bowl Kitchen Sink. With the Kraus brand, you get exceptional quality for good value. This sink comes with a coveted satin finish that will give your kitchen a high-end look. It's an undermount with a deep basin that you'll appreciate after a large gathering. The Kraus 30-inch Standart Pro Single Bowl Kitchen Sink is made of tough and durable stainless steel that will last you a good while, not to mention the fact that it is corrosion and rust proof. This sink is built for your home, but with commercial grade strength and endurance. This sink is packed with a load of accessories. The entire set includes a strong, reliable sink, a commercial grade faucet, soap dispenser, drain assembly with strainer, bottom grid, and a kitchen towel. You may want to add a caddy just to tie it all together. But the most important feature on this sink is the durable and strong stainless steel construction. This kitchen sink will serve you well and spare you endless hours of cleaning and maintenance. While considering this bargain, remember that Kraus also offers a limited time warranty. So, you can get quality and convenience all in one, making it our pick for the best stainless kitchen sink. Coming in at number 2, Ruvati 32-inch Undermount 16-gauge Stainless Steel Kitchen Sink Single Bowl. Ruvati has set the standard for strong sinks built to take a lot of damage. This 32-inch sink is described as a workstation because it's constructed with all your needs in mind. There are overhanging lips on the front and back that serve as a track for sliding the built-in accessories. It also includes a solid, high-quality that sits right beside your sink, a deep stainless steel colander, and a dish drying rack that channels moisture right into your sink drain. The Ruvati 32-inch Undermount 16-gauge stainless steel kitchen sink single bowl is constructed with 16-gauge stainless steel, with a well-balanced nickel and chromium ratio for maximum durability. This same construction also is easier for cleaning and comes with a fantastic finish. You can forget the days of quietly placing bowls in your sink to avoid jarring noises. This sink comes with heavy-duty sound guard coating and thick rubber underpadding. It also has a conveniently sloped bottom for better drainage. It's yet another single undermount and is in fact the best stainless steel 16-gauge kitchen sink. Coming in at number 3, Friho 18-gauge commercial large drop-in single bowl basin handmade stainless steel kitchen sink. The Friho 18-gauge commercial large drop-in single bowl basin handmade stainless steel kitchen sink is enormous and built of premium 18-gauge stainless steel. The 18-gauge stainless steel construction ensures a long life for this sink and a scratch-resistant surface. Friho has taken your needs into consideration when equipping this sink with special noise defend technology. It has an extra thick build and stone guard undercoating that assures maximum protection against noise. The Friho is a top mount and it comes with a wide array of accessories that include a dish grid and basket strainer. This sink is without a doubt the best 18-gauge stainless steel kitchen sink on the market. It's covered by a 90 days free return and life. Looking to learn more about the best stainless steel kitchen sinks in this review? View the links in the description section and click. Coming in at number 4, Zuhne 32-inch Undermount Deep Double Bowl 16-gauge stainless steel modern kitchen sink. This is a 16-gauge double bowl sink that's designed to withstand heavy-duty damage. The steel construction on this sink provides a beautiful finish and makes for much easier cleaning, not to mention rust resistant. With the Zuhne 32-inch Undermount deep double bowl 16 gauge stainless steel modern kitchen sink, you get a high-end, long-lasting product for an excellent price. Merely on its own, this sink is an incredible product, but Zuhne provides you with a number of accessories such as a stainless strainer set, a scratch prevention bottom grate, a super absorbent towel, and convenient mounting hardware. Not to mention a template and manual so you don't have to waste time looking around for the parts. Zuhne provides a product that's soundproof and protects your cabinets from condensation. And this sink comes with deep bowls to accommodate a large number of dishes. Add to the fact that it's covered by a lifetime warranty. This sink by Zuhne is the best stainless steel kitchen sink for the money. Coming in at number 5, Elkay Lustertone Single Bowl Undermount Stainless Steel Kitchen Sink with Perfect Draw. The Elkay Lustertone Single Bowl Undermount Stainless Steel Kitchen Sink with Perfect Draw has a sturdy construction with the Lustertone finish, and this reliable construction ensures that the sink will continue to look great with time, while any acquired scratches will just blend into the sink finish. Elkay has made this model an undermount so it can be easily accommodating into any kitchen and by fitting it from underneath, without disturbing the natural design of your counters. And the single bowl is large and deep to allow you to work undisturbed without worrying about stacking all the dishes somewhere. And this sink comes with perfect drain, because the edgeless drain eliminates the gap around the drain, allowing the residual gunk off dirty dishes to go right down the drain. Included also on this sink for maximum comfort are soundproofing pads that minimize vibration and noise. This sink is definitely the best single bowl stainless steel sink that you can find on the market. Coming in at number 6, Undermount Stainless Steel Kitchen Sink with Deep Basin by Frigidaire. This incredible professional series sink by Frigidaire is constructed of commercial grade 16 gauge steel, and this means that you're willing to spend a little extra money, then you can get an amazing product that will last you a very, very long time for your kitchen. On the plus side though, the Undermount Stainless Steel Kitchen Sink with Deep Basin by Frigidaire would blend in perfectly with a number of surfaces. You can try with countertops that are granite, marble, and so on. You just need to make sure that you have a minimum of 36 inches in terms of cabinet space, and if you do, then this sink will fit it marvelously. Frigidaire has provided sound control on this sink through with V-Therm Shield technology, and there are also free accessories that make your clean-up experience that much better. This set includes a roll-up oversing dish dryer rack that is also stainless steel, and there is a stainless steel bowl bottom grid, a couple of basket strainers, as well as mounting hardware, not to mention the template. It's packaged securely for easy transportation, and the packing includes a custom cloth bag to avoid damage to the finish. And this company has provided you with the assurance in their quality and construction with a lifetime warranty. This is why this is the best undermount stainless steel kitchen sink for your kitchen. Coming in at number 7, Staccato Dual Stainless Steel Kitchen Sink by Kohler. Kohler is a popular name among affordable and dependable stainless steel kitchen sinks. With its simple rectangular design, it provides an elegant finish to your kitchen. And the stainless steel construction requires you only to give it a good rub down when it needs cleaning, after which you will find that the sink retains its initial shine. These sinks by Kohler all come with silent shield technology that reduces the ear-splitting clang of dishes, and the Staccato Dual Stainless Steel Kitchen Sink by Kohler makes for a much more pleasant experience for the cleanup after a long party. This sink also comes with installation hardware, and it has a self-rimming installation. The basin is about 8 inches deep and more than enough to hold all your dishes. Coming in at number 8, Undermount Single Bowl 32-inch 16-gauge Handmade Stainless Steel Kitchen Sink by Mensarjor. Mensarjor is a company that provides themselves with this product, and they will explain the entire construction process in detail so that you know that you're receiving an indestructible product. They start with 16-gauge stainless steel and deliver a heavy-duty dent-resistant sink that's durable and reliable. This company also claims to have the quietest sink in the world because of the commercial-grade thick rubber mesh pad that they use. These rubber pads prevent the vibrations and give you a quiet and peaceful sink. And then there's the extra thick sound guard undercoating that protects the kitchen sink from condensation. You'll find and also receive a number of free accessories upon purchasing the Undermount single bowl 32-inch 16-gauge handmade stainless steel kitchen sink by Mensarjor. You can expect a multifunctional stainless steel dish grid which protects the bottom, a 3-piece basket strainer waist, a stretched dish drying rack, 3 soft sponges for cleaning, mounting hardware, and a template to help you with instructions. You can make your purchase and be assured by a lifetime guarantee. The huge bowl will accommodate your largest frying pan, baking sheets, and skillets. Coming in at number 9, Deep Drop-In Undermount Single Bowl Kitchen Sink by Lordear. The apron front sink by Lordear comes with a powerful 16-gauge stainless steel construction. It's polished off with a gorgeous satin finish that looks amazing against your counters and provides a farmhouse look. Ultimately, this is the best stainless steel farmhouse sink option. The protective finish makes this sink scratch resistant for when you accidentally drop metal utensils in your sink, and it is stain resistant against the various food residues that can accumulate in any family kitchen sink. The Deep Drop-In Undermount Single Bowl Kitchen Sink by Lordear is sound sequestered with 3mm rubber dampening pads and stone guard undercoating for maximum sound drop. And it comes with a standard drain opening that can fit most garbage disposal systems. And with this sink, you can expect a dish grid, stainless steel of course, basket strainer, oven glove, oven mitt, and cotton apron, not to mention the limited 10-year warranty that Lordear provides. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite stainless steel kitchen sink. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly videos. And now for the freshness.com stainless steel kitchen sinks to avoid. Staccato Sink Basin Self-Rimming Stainless Steel Kitchen Sink by Kohler. When you look all over the features and benefits available on this 9 options that are considered as quality kitchen sinks, this Kohler Staccato Single Basin is especially disappointing. The Staccato Single Basin Self-Rimming Stainless Steel Kitchen Sink by Kohler is brought to you by a company as prestigious as Kohler, but is definitely not the top product in their lineup when you compare what you receive against the price you would have to pay. As the name explains, it's a single basin with a single hole faucet punching. If you order it, you would basically be buying a simple sink for a huge chunk of your budget. Take it as a very strong recommendation. Do not buy this sink. You would do much better with other options. With that said, this is the worst stainless steel kitchen sink on the market. And now for the freshness.com final thoughts on buying one of the best stainless steel kitchen sinks. There are a wide range of stainless steel sinks on the market, since it's such a popular item in terms of material to match your appliances. In order to find the best stainless steel kitchen sink for your home renovations, it's important to consider design, size, strength, and price. Regardless of if you choose a single or double bowl, an undermount or top mount sink, with any of the options within this review, you'll be happy with your choice of stainless steel kitchen sinks. Looking to learn more about the best stainless steel kitchen sinks in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite stainless steel kitchen sink. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.